Welcome back, foodies. By now you've had the opportunity to get a little more familiar with your convection steam oven. We've prepared a few meats, indulged in a little dessert, and benefited from some of the cool bonus features. And today, I'm going to help you crack your unhatched potential for preparing hard, soft, and sunny side up eggs. That's right, in the trusty convection steam oven. So, let's get cracking, shall we?
What I absolutely appreciate about hard boiling eggs in the convection steam oven, besides the fact that I don't need to fill a pot with water and wait for it to boil, is the fact that you can put your eggs directly in your convection steam oven in the carton that they come in. Now, you don't want to do that with styrofoam, but if you buy eggs that come in a cardboard carton, all you have to do is cut the lid off and put the eggs directly into your convection steam oven. Fun little fact and kitchen hack, y'all. Before placing your eggs in your convection steam oven to hard boil them, if you add a little drop of lemon juice, it will make them much easier to peel. So you can certainly just use the juice of a regular lemon, and in case you're concerned, no, your eggs are not going to taste like lemon. But I just like to buy some pre-bottled lemon and do a little squirt onto each egg, like so. Now, you have to do this before your eggs get hot. You have to do it before placing them into your convection steam oven. Our dozen eggs are loaded into the convection steam oven. As you will see, I have put them on the perforated pan. And then, of course, I've put my solid pan on level 1, just because you know that's my thing, y'all. I like to make cleanup as easy as possible. And as I'm sure you'll remember, you'll definitely want to check your water levels. You're going to be using a lot of steam to hard boil these eggs. Hard boiling eggs, you'll set your convection steam oven to steam mode only at 210 degrees. You'll put your timer on 20 minutes. And of course, y'all know the drill. Your convection steam oven will beep when your hard-boiled eggs are done. There are some of you foodies out there that have convection steam ovens with an egg setting mode. So you'll just go to More and Gourmet until you get to the egg symbol, which you'll click on. You'll have the choice of soft-cooked eggs or hard-cooked eggs. And as you can see, when you set the machine, it's gonna set to 210 degrees for 20 minutes. So no matter what brand or generation of convection steam oven you have, steam mode only, 210 degrees for 20 minutes. Our convection steam oven has let us know that our eggs are done. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now, you'll just want to pull these out and put them in an ice bath for about 20 minutes. Just as long as you cook them, you will want to let them sit in the ice bath. Our eggs are in their ice bath, and this is just another step that's going to help you peel these eggs effortlessly when you're ready to enjoy them. Again, leave them in for about 20 minutes, just as long as it took you to hard cook them.
So let's break into one of these hard-cooked eggs and let's see what's inside. Perfect. See how effortless it is to pull the shell right off this egg? No struggles at all. Very easy. Beautiful. And now we're just going to cut right into the inside of this egg. Absolutely gorgeous and perfect. Now, for those of you that love eggs sunny side up, very easy. Just take some saucers, however many you'd like, or you can fit onto your perforated pan. Spray them with a little bit of a cooking spray. I like to use the kind with the olive oil in it. And crack one egg onto each saucer. I've added a little salt and pepper to each of my eggs, and now we're ready to load them into the convection steam oven. Okay, we've loaded our eggs into the convection steam oven. Again, on the perforated pan, and today we are on level 3. for sunny side up eggs. You'll put your machine on steam mode, 210 degrees. Depends on how you like your eggs, but you'll want to set your timer to 4 to 5 minutes. And I'm gonna stick with 5 minutes today. Your machine will beep when your sunny side up eggs are done. Our sunny side up eggs are done. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh. Those eggs look absolutely perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Our sunny side up eggs are perfectly and beautifully cooked. Absolutely gorgeous. And the whites are fully cooked. There's no slime, so to speak, as far as your eggs go. Just a perfectly cooked, delectable egg. For those of you looking for a soft cooked egg, I just place 1 egg inside of a ramekin, like so. You'll load each of your ramekins into your convection steam oven on the perforated pan onto level 2. You will set your convection steam oven to steam mode only, 210 degrees, and you will do that for 11 minutes for soft cooked eggs. Our soft cooked eggs are done. Let's crack them open and see how we did. Perfectly soft cooked egg. Egg prep in your convection steam oven? Who knew? It's just another amazing capability of this fantastic machine. No pots, no pans, no countertop mess, making cleanup so much easier than before. I hope you enjoyed today's excellent episode. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.